So this little village is called
Giethoorn,
and it legit looks like it was pulled out of a fairy tale. No roads, no cars, just canals, boats, and the most dreamy houses I've ever seen. Giethoorn is kind of far from Amsterdam. Like, it's doable as a day trip, but it still took us 2 trains and 1 bus to get there. It's a bit of a mission. Definitely plan ahead if you come in, especially with family. The whole journey was about 3 hours long, but it's so worth it. We accidentally missed our bus stop and got off at the last stop of this bus route, but honestly, it was the best mistake. We ended up starting from the back of the village where we found cheaper boat rentals and we got to walk one way through the whole place without doubling back. Sometimes being a little lost is actually the move. Taking a boat trip seems like a must-do thing in Giethoorn. You can either join a boat tour or rent a self-drive boat like us and go around the canals.
Like water plants or something. Put the boat in neutral, like in the middle. You can reach it from here. Propellers behind the boat in the water. Otherwise from the side. Yeah, then pull the water plants out and you're good to go again. Okay. Otherwise there's a phone number on the cars. You can call us.
Captain Sheep. Wow, 好靚喎呢個嘅。Don't crash！ 人哋狗仔都搭。
我都係第一次揸船，竟然喺荷蘭。
容唔容易控制啊？其實
個牌你要佢咁窄嘅路咧，即係你就要慢啲啦。咁樣流過去就差唔多。
I've never driven a boat before, but it was super easy. I mean, even I can do it. The canals are slow and chill and the views are insane. Every corner is like a fairy tale storybook. Just try not to crash into the sides and the other boats like I may or may not have.
慢慢拖扶佢啊！波扶喺中間得噶啦，你飄埋去就得噶啦，船到橋頭自然直噶嘛。哇，停啦！係你可以出噶啦，前咧都要控制係啊。好勁啊！
有錢人揸船，
船都識揸，
車牌都未合格。
哇！你呢個得意喎，呢個。阿船夫，你知唔知自己去緊邊啊？
前面
呢個答案非常之好。舒唔舒服啊？阿船客。
好舒服啊！我都俾 tips 你啊。
We stopped for lunch at this cute little restaurant which is very close to our boat rental place. I saw white asparagus on the menu and went straight in. Then I realized it's available during dinner time only, but they probably saw me being very disappointed and came back and said they could do it for me this time. Amazing people. 等咗半個鐘，終於有前明白色蘆筍 burger。之後咧，你究竟入邊有啲咩？
有芝士啦，有smoke 嘅 chicken 啦，有 nuts 啦，有菜啦，有麵包啦。
個麵包好似好寡。
係咯，
我仲有呢個。
我俾啲 butter 嘅。
Everyone, if you've never tried white asparagus, you're missing out. It tastes so good. Not sure if it's about the chef or the asparagus or I was starving. It tasted 100 times better than how it looks on the camera. After the meal, we wandered through the rest of the village. It's super peaceful, like you literally hear the water and birds, no cars, just ducks and boats. until you reach the front of the village, where you find most of the shops, museums and restaurants. Thanks for coming along. Let me know in the comments if Giethoorn is now on your travel list. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. More videos are coming up, so I'll see you very soon.